What's up, guys? So here's an unboxing of the box cleaners. I got a small taste of their product from my Toolheads crate service that I get every month. So let's take a look. Got a box in my hand right now. I'm gonna do this unboxing. Some awesome guys. They respond pretty fast. If you need them, follow them on Instagram. Once they hit that 1,000 subscriber mark, they're going to be doing a giveaway. So this is a sneak peek for you guys. So as you can see, nice package. Got another bottle of the waterless wash and wax. Got a polish and wax as well. This is a one-step pad to help clean the box. You got some microfiber rags, pretty big and nice and thick. It also has their name on it. The box cleaners on there. It was pretty nice. There's one pink, so you can differentiate between if you want to use it just strictly for the polish and wax, or just a cleaner. And you have a second one, another nice thick microfiber rag as well. So with their logo on it. As well. There's unboxing. There's nothing else. They put in a little, paper as well. So, like I said, they're gonna be doing a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers on Instagram. So check them out on there. So we're gonna give you a little demonstration on how well this. I'm gonna try them both out. Try the cleaner again, and then after that, I'm gonna polish and wax my box and see if you guys can tell a difference. My box is green, so it does take a little bit of a difference on how well you can see through the camera. So I'm gonna do my best for you guys, so let's take a look. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Big shout out to Toolbox Cleaners. Cleaned my box really nice. Big shout out to them. As you can see, wiped it down, really brings that color back. It's not an old box, but it really does pop that color. Like I said, big shout out to Toolbox Cleaners. They're an awesome group of guys. There's some very friendly people out there. So go over there, check out their website. It's up and running right now. And you can buy yourself the same exact kit and have your box looking very nice and beautiful. I know I love coming to work and looking at my beautiful box every single day. It's what I bought, and I want to see it shine every day. I always try to clean at least once a week. So I've been using the Toolbox Cleaners products, and I have not been disappointed. So go ahead and check them out. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Drop a like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Until next time, this is going to be 410 Auto Tech out.